Hey y'all, I'm Kenzie Ray. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today I will be installing this kinky straight wig from BGM Hair. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So first, let's go ahead and get into the packaging. The hair does come with a silk bag to keep the wig in when you're not wearing it. It also comes with a bonnet, lashes, an edge brush, an elastic band, and 2 wig caps. So again, this hair is from BGM Hair and I'm installing their kinky straight wig. It comes with a 9x6 HD lace closure and it's a glueless wig that's pre-plucked and it comes pre-bleached. And the hair is super soft and easy to comb through. And I love kinky straight hair because it really does mimic straightened natural hair. And the wig also does come with an elastic band and clips. So now let's get into the install. I'm just gonna go ahead and pop the wig on. And again, this is a glueless wig, so I love that for me. You don't really have to do much work at all. The first thing that I'm going to be doing is laying the hair down in the front, and I'm going to do this by using a flat iron and this edge wax stick. I just apply the wax stick right at the roots of the hair, and then I take my flat iron and just smooth the hair down, and it's just going to give you like a nice smooth base, and it's going to make everything look more natural. So I do just go over it a couple times until I get it exactly how I like, and I'm going to go ahead and do the same process, and then I'll catch back up with you guys when it's time to style the hair. And before we style the hair, I'm going to be taking this lace tint powder and I'm going to be putting this along the hairline and also into the part. This just helps the hair to look more natural and to make it look like it is coming out of your scalp. After that, I went ahead and put on an elastic band. And I'm going to be taking my curling iron and just doing some big loose curls in the hair just to give it a little body. Now that I'm all done curling the hair, I just took some spritz and sprayed it all over. Then I'm taking my wide tooth comb and just breaking the curls up. So this is how my hair turned out, and I think that it looks so cute. I love how natural this kinky straight texture is. And in the past, when I've had kinky straight hair, sometimes the hair is a little hard to manage, but the one that I got from this company definitely showed out. It was super easy to comb through and it was super soft. So I would definitely recommend checking it out if you're looking for a nice natural looking hairstyle. And again, this is a kinky straight glueless wig from BGM Hair, and this is their 9x6 lace closure wig, and it comes with tiny knots that are pre-bleached and pre-plucked. So I would definitely recommend checking this hair out. I'll have all of their information down in my description box. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.